Hello friends, welcome to my channel, AnitsAcademy. Here you can watch a drawing, how it's made and listen to an amazing story. So let's start the story, without wasting our time. There was once a young girl named Maya, who lived in a small town where dance was considered a luxury, something only the wealthy could afford. Maya loved to dance, but her family couldn't afford to send her to lessons. Still, every day after school, she would sneak into the empty barn behind her house. Using its dusty floor as her stage, she practiced tirelessly, learning from old dance books she found in the local library and mimicking the movements she saw in passing from professional performances on TV. But self-doubt often crept in. Her steps were far from perfect, her form unrefined, and her body didn't look like the dancers she admired. Yet, something in her heart told her to keep going. One day, the town announced a dance competition. The prize was a scholarship to a prestigious dance academy. Maya hesitated but decided to enter. On the day of the competition, she stood backstage, nervously watching other dancers rehearse. They were polished, confident, and flawless. Maya felt small, but as the music began, something shifted inside her. She remembered all the hours of practice, the struggles, and the love she had for dance. When her turn came, she stepped onto the stage, and instead of focusing on what others might think, she danced for herself. Each movement was an expression of the joy and freedom she had found in those quiet moments of practice in the barn. The audience was captivated by the raw emotion and passion she poured into every step. Maya didn't win first place that day, but the judges saw something in her, a spark, a passion that couldn't be ignored. They offered her a scholarship, not because she was the most technically perfect, but because her heart and dedication spoke louder than any flaw. Maya's story spread across the town, and soon, others began to realize that dance wasn't about perfection, it was about feeling the music, expressing yourself, and never giving up. Maya went on to become a celebrated dancer, but she always remembered the barn, where she learned that the most powerful thing a dancer could do was dance from the heart. So friends, how was the story? I hope you all enjoyed and learned something from it. Please let me know your opinion in the comment section. Friends, if you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe and hit the like button if you thoroughly enjoyed it. Now you may please continue watching the drawing. Thanks for watching. See you soon with yet another interesting video. Till then, take care.